Let's shift the hypothetical supply curve we sketched earlier. The table below shows a supply schedule for pizza when the price of flour is $5.50. The quantity supplied goes from 75 up to 100 as the price of pizza goes from 4 to 9. Let's fill in the quantity supplied for the remaining points. When the quantity supplied increases by 15 whenever the price of flour decreases by $1. To compare rows 1 and 7, the price of pizza in both cases is $4, so the price of pizza doesn't change. The only thing that changes is the price of flour. It drops by 1. We know that's going to increase the quantity supplied of pizza by 15, so the new quantity is going to be 75 plus 15, which is equal to 90. If we look at rows 2 and 8, again we have the price of pizza is constant, in this case at $5, but the price of flour has gone down by $1. So the quantity is going to rise by 15. The new quantity must be 80 plus 15, which equals 95. Notice, as the price of pizza goes up by $1, the quantity supplied goes up by 5 when the price of flour is constant. If we continue in this fashion, we can get the next quantity is going to be 100, 105, 110, and finally 115. We can now plot the new demand curve for what happens when the price of flour is $4.50 instead of $5.50. And again, I cannot put all those points on one graph. I'll sort of reproduce pretty quickly the supply curve we had earlier. When price was 4, the quantity supplied was 75. Let's do this in red. So 475 is about right there. We had 580, which is there, 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 there. That's 6 points. So the original supply curve, S1, or S, we'll call it S, that's the supply when the price of flour equals $5.50. So the red curve is the supply of flour when the red curve is the supply of pizza when the price of flour is $5.50. Now let's plot the supply of pizza when the price of flour equals $4.50. When the price of pizza is 4 and the price of flour is $4.50, the quantity supplied of pizza is equal to 90. The quantity supplied is 15 higher at the lower price of flour when the price of pizza remains constant. When the price is 5, the new quantity supplied is 95. Again, it's 5 higher than the quantity when price of pizza is 4. It's also 15 higher when the price of pizza is constant and the price of flour goes down by 1. The next quantity is we have price is 6 and the quantity is 100. We had 7 and the quantity is 105 rather. The next one was a price of 8 and a quantity of 110. And finally we had a price of 9 and a quantity of 115. If we connect those blue points together, we get the new supply curve. That's the supply curve for pizza when the price of flour is $4.50.